nightmares you brought me in. How can escape this insanity? Turn to tragedy. Still can't get out from the nightmares you brought in. You brought in. Whoa. Feel so empty, the depths of hell, tormented by the screams of the lost souls. Last days of earth prophesied and told, to the things angel had heard. Historic poetry of madness. Why should I care when death came to get you? Upon your feet, walking beneath the dust of hell. Seems there is no ending on running. It's an escape to the shadows. Inside my head, blister upon your feet, walking beneath the